Does Varo Bank charge fees? So, you're thinking about switching to Varo Bank, huh? Good choice. It's one of those digital banks that's been making waves in the financial world. But before you dive headfirst into a Varo account, there's one burning question on everyone's mind. Does Varo Bank charge fees? I mean, let's be real. Who wants to be hit with surprise charges when you're already juggling bills and trying to save money? That's why we're here today to break it down for you, plain and simple. We're going to dive deep into Varo's fee structure, talk about the fine print, and see if it really is the fee-free wonderland it claims to be. Now, you might be thinking, okay, smart guy, just tell me if they charge fees or not. Well, hold your horses. It's not quite that straightforward. While Varo does advertise itself as a fee-free bank, there are a few nuances we need to unpack. Let's start with the basics. Varo's fee-free fundamentals. At its core, Varo is designed to be a fee-free banking experience. That means you won't be slapped with monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or even fees for using your debit card. It's a refreshing change from traditional banks, right? But remember, the devil is in the details. The fine print. While Varo is generous with its fee-free offerings, there are a few exceptions to the rule. Let's break them down. ATM fees. Now, this one might sting a little. Varo doesn't own ATMs, so when you use an out-of-network ATM, you'll likely be charged a fee by the ATM owner. But here's the kicker. Varo reimburses you for up to $10 in ATM fees per month. That's a pretty sweet deal compared to other banks. Foreign transaction fees. If you're a jet setter who loves to shop till you drop in foreign countries, you might want to pay attention to this. Varo does charge a foreign transaction fee. It's not the end of the world, but it's something to keep in mind if you travel frequently. Overdraft protection. Varo offers overdraft protection, but it comes with a catch. If you overdraw your account, you can link it to a Varo savings account or a linked external funding source. If you choose the Varo savings account option, there's a $15 transfer fee. So, while it's a safety net, it's not entirely free. Hidden fees? You might be wondering if there are any hidden fees lurking in the shadows. Well, based on what we've found, Varo seems pretty transparent about its fee structure. There aren't any surprise charges waiting to ambush you. However, it's always a good idea to read the fine print and terms and conditions just to be sure. Varo versus traditional banks. To really appreciate Varo's fee-free model, let's compare it to traditional banks. Think about all those pesky fees you've been paying over the years. Monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees, and the list goes on. Now, imagine a world without those. That's the Varo experience. Is Varo truly fee-free? So, to answer the burning question, is Varo truly fee-free? Well, it depends on how you define fee-free. If you're talking about monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, and debit card fees, then yes, Varo is definitely fee-free. But if you consider ATM fees and foreign transaction fees, it's not entirely fee-free. Ultimately, whether or not Varo is the right bank for you depends on your banking habits. If you're someone who uses ATMs frequently or travels often, the fees might add up. But if you're looking for a bank that doesn't nickel and dime you, Varo is definitely worth considering. Additional tips. To make the most of your Varo account, here are a few tips. ATM strategy. Take advantage of Varo's ATM fee reimbursement by planning your ATM withdrawals accordingly. Foreign transactions. If you travel frequently, consider using a travel credit card that offers better foreign transaction rates. Overdraft protection. Be mindful of your spending to avoid overdraft fees. If you need overdraft protection, link it to a savings account instead of paying the transfer fee. Varo Bank is a game changer when it comes to fees. While it's not entirely fee-free, it's definitely one of the most fee-friendly banks out there. By understanding the nuances of its fee structure, you can make an informed decision about whether Varo is the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,